Tahi, rua, toru, whā, tēnā koutou te whānau, nau mai, haere mai, hoki mai, kiimaimäori, Aoitepö, te Umuariki, Mihi nui, kia koutou katoa. Shout out to the universe, shout out to you all. Fabulous feedback this week again, via email, via messages, kanohi te kanohi. Thank you for all that feedback. You guys are doing a fabulous job with these karakia. You know, a karakia, a mihi, openings, speeches, however you want to use it. It's your karakia after all. Shot, guys. Thanks for all that feedback. Kiimai. Today we're going to look at some mahi rākau, papa mahi rākau, relevant to this week's karakia. Welcome the fruits, no mai ngā hua. Kiimai, we will look at the puoro reo, the little tutorial that I sent you. You guys have been stalking me on Messenger. Awesome, I love it. Okay, Kiimai, we'll look at some consolidation, te arapiki tauira. Kiimai, we'll look at some tuhinga, the PDFs. Let's have a little look at that. Got a question for you while we're there. And Kiimai, we will look at a little Waiata kinaki to support this week's karakia. Don't go too far away. Grab yourself some wai Māori, not wai piro, and I'll see you back shortly. Whānau, nau mai, hoki mai, welcome back. And exactly that, whānau, when you open the door, you've got your manuhiri looking right at you. You're going to say to them, nau mai, haere mai, hoki mai. There you are. Welcome. Come in and welcome back here. Same here, whānau. Take a look at this kai on the table, laid out before us. We're going to look at it and welcome it here today. So we're not talking to each other, our mates, or the table. We're looking at the kai. Nau mai e ngā hua. Try that out. Welcome the fruits. O te wao o te ngākina. From the forest, uncultivated and cultivated sources. O te wao o te ngākina. Try that, whānau. Ka pai. O te wai tai, o te wai Māori. Kōrero mai. Ka pai, whānau. Who do they belong to? Nā tāne, nā tangaroa. Nā rongo, nā maru. Anō. Nā tāne, nā tangaroa, nā rongo, nā maru. Whānau, so we hear about all the main actors and all the main atua Māori, tāne, tangaroa, tāwhiri. There's a couple of more in here. I don't know if you know them. Here's one here. I thought I'll put him in there because he comes up later. He comes to sing us a song. This is Haumia Tike Tike. And even though tāne has jurisdiction over the forests and the birds and the bees and all that nature, but Haumia Tike Tike is relevant to uncultivated natural food sources in the bush, puha, piko piko, and the sorts. Harore, yep, I think so. Rongo, tāne, is the forest. Tangaroa, the ocean. He's got a big job. He's 70% of the earth covered with ocean. That's Tangaroa, doing a great job. Rongo is relative to peace, hospitality, kai. Rongoa, when you go, you see, you still got to go to the bush to get some leaves, come back, and then he'll chill it out for you and turn it into rongoa. Ka pai, that's old rongo. And maru. And I'm going, who's maru? It's like every time I'm fishing and the boss tells us, hey, give that one back to maru. I said, oh, this is a big snapper. It's like, no. Then we give one back to maru. What I found out is maru is a little bit like tūmā tauenga. He used to help out in the defence department, things like that. But today I think he's more like, he's going to be our fisheries officer, keeping an eye on things. So sometimes we've got to make an offering to maru and give one back. It's just an old tikanga that some of us do. Also, maru was relative to the waterways and the fresh waterways and rivers, so I had an area there to cover. So that's old maru. Say hello to maru. Kia ora tātou. Ko rangi nui, beautiful sky father, e tū iho nei. E tū iho nei. Ka pai ko papa tuanuku, e tapoto ake nei. e takoto ake nei. Ka pai, it's a splendid picture, kia tūturu, whakamaua, kia tīna, tīna. All-encompassing, haumi e, hui e. Let's hook into it. Taiki e. Kia ora koutou. That's that on the papamahi. I know it's short. Come to a class, do an online with me. We'll have an hour, so you've got time to do it. Just whizzing along today. See you back shortly. Inumia. No mai huki mai whānau. Hey whānau sent you a puoro reo, an audio so you can hear the spoken component. You received that, your own personal ones via Messenger. And to those who haven't, you have a link to have a look at the playlist there live on YouTube, on the YouTube playlist. Here we got another visual with some tuhinga, so you can see the written component in line with the visual. We're just going to roll this. Join in with me. It's only a couple of minutes. Let's just roll with it and see how she goes. Karakia tuatoru, welcome the fruits. Nau mai e ngā hua. He mihi, ki ngā momo kai e horahia mai nei. Kōrero mai whānau, nau mai i ngā hua. O te wao, o te ngākina. O te waitai, o te wai Māori. Help me out. Nā tāne, nā tangaroa. Nā rongo, nā maru. Ko rangi nui, e tūiho nei. Ko papatua nuku e tapoto ake nei. Kia tūturu, whakamaua kia tīna, tīna. Haumi e, hui e, taiki e. Shot whānau, pretty good going there. Look mum, no hands, we're going to do it one more time with no kupu. Kia kaha whānau, nau mai, e ngā hua. O te wao, o te ngākina. O te wai tai, o te wai Māori. Nā tāne, nā tangaroa, nā rongo, nā maru. Ko rangi nui e tū iho nei. Te papatua nuku e tapoto ake nei. Kia tūturu, whakamaua, kia tīna, tīna. Haumi e, hui e, taiki e. Ka pai whānau, there's the visual. As you know, with this, I sent out a silent one for you in your personal copies, and also one with sounds on it, just to amp it up a bit. Rerenga Wairua, that was an awesome song, just seemed to fit perfectly, so it was meant to be. I hope the whānau don't mind, but those taonga are out there, and these taonga are free too for you, so share it around. Beautiful music to go with our karakia. We don't have to have it on, you can mute it if you want, but one time we did some mahi, we left all those things on. It was to help us with our distraction, could we still focus. But up to you, the tikanga, and I'll see you back shortly. We're going to have a look at the PDFs. Ka kite I rei. Nau mai, huki mai, anō whānau ki tēnei wāhanga o te tuhi, te taha tuhi, our PDFs and our written component. Whānau, I've had a lot of fun and a lot of feedback from you guys regarding these. Do you know there are a lot of people out there, Māori and non-Māori alike, that are enjoying a journey of beginning to learn our reo Māori. So, yeah, it's been good. It's make me be mindful to consider what I'm writing or putting to them. I hope the originators of our karakia and different stories here don't mind. I don't think they will mind as long as we are being mindful and considerate of these taonga that we're sharing. So, however you see it, whānau, share them out. Hora hia, api mai, api atu, and help each other. So as you can see here, week 1, karakia 2, karakia tuatoru, so hopefully we can build this compilation up as we go. These here, these are little introductions. Have a look at them. I would like you to consider learning them as well. It's going to broaden your reo, rather than stand up and say, this is a karakia. He karakia tēnei, e hāngai ana ki ngā timatanga hou, or whatever the relative introduction is. Have a look at them. Yeah, cool whānau. And if you want to, take the time to write them out into your notebooks. These karakia tutorials we're giving you. Yeah, it'll help you with your taha tuhi. Ka pai? Anyway, won't drag it out. Anyway, going to come back to karakia number tuarua. Going to blow it up a bit. Remember, I had a question for you. Here it is. Here it comes. So somewhere down here, I'm trying to do my descriptions. Kia tau ngā manaakitanga a te mea ngaro ki runga ki tēnā o mātou. My question to you guys is, I've put here our gratitude, respect, and responsibility. Who can give me a good, succinct one-liner to go in there to describe this? Kia tau ngā manaakitanga. In relation, in context to this whole karakia. Something to think about. Yeah, about time you guys gave me something. If you get an idea or you got something there, whānau, kaue whakamā, homai. Put it in the comments down below if you don't mind, or even if you want to write to me. Ka pai. Anyway, whānau, we're going to move along now. We'll go along and we'll do our consolidation, a short waiata, and we're out of here. Ka mau te wehi. Kia ora koutou, whānau, whakapakari, consolidation. Let's make it quick, because I know you want to sing a song. Okay, let's go. Karakia tuatoru, welcome the fruits. Nau mai e ngā hua. Help us out. Nau mai e ngā hua. O te wao, o te ngākina. O te wai tai, o te wai Māori. Nā tāne, nā tangaroa. Nā rongo, nā maru. Ko rangi nui, e tūiho nei. Ko papatua nuku, e takoto ake nei. Kia tuturu, whakamaua, kia tīna. Hauie, huie, taiki. Nom, e kai. Ka pai koutou, gonna catch you on the rebound for a waiata. Haumea tiki in the house. Kia ora koutou, whānau, paki up for contestant tuatoru haumea tiki, finishing off our mahi today, whānau. Thanks for putting up with me once again. Thanks for giving me this opportunity to share with you. Whānau, give me any feedback, good, bad or indifferent. Yeah, don't be too harsh though. Yeah, remember at the end of the day, we're all human. We all get whakamā. We all make mistakes, and I probably made quite a few within this. But just trying to get something out there today, whānau, for you. Yeah, all cool. Enjoy this. To you stalkers out there, I'll send you a copy of this waiata on Messenger. Hope you've been enjoying those tutorials and those little clips. They're just for you, and for the rest of the whānau, all these will also be on the YouTube playlist. So I'll see you there. Going to put Homea on now to finish the night off. Thank you very much, and I'll catch you next round. Karakia tuawha. What is it? Let's wait and see. Enjoy, whānau.
Kia ora whānau.
He's a bit flat.
Anei tētahi waiata, hei mihi, kia haumea tiki. He atua, kei roto i ngā here, hei tiaki, i ngā momo kai Māori e tipu ana i reira. Nā tō mātou kai ako a pere nara te we i ho mai, a kia mātou ngā pia o te wānanga kei te reo mai oha, i te tau 2000 a marima. Nō rere hoa, kei te mihi. Haumea, tike, te atua pai o ngā kai e, nana te kai e tipu ana, he kai pai mātaua. Haumea, tike, kei hera te kai. Kimi hia, rapu atu, rapu mai. Haumea, tike, kei hea te kai e. Hora, hia mai, kei te hia kai au e. Ano whānau. Haumea, tike, te atua pai o ngā kai e. Nana te kai e tipu ana, e kai pai mataua, haumia, tike tike, kai hera te kai. Kimi ara puatu rapu mai, haumia, tike tike, kai hea te kai e, hora hora hia mai kei te hia kai au e. Hora hora hia mai kei te hia kai au e. Haumia, haumia, haumia tike tike.
Ka ki te whānau.